How to redeem a McDonald's gift card on DoorDash.
Hello everyone. Today, we'll be learning how to redeem a McDonald's gift card on DoorDash. Whether you've just received a gift card or you have one lying around, I'll guide you step by step on how to use it for your next delicious meal.
What do you need before starting?
Before diving into the process, ensure you have 1. A McDonald's gift card. Ensure it has a balance left on it. 2. A DoorDash account. If you don't have one yet, you can easily sign up using their app or website.
Can you directly redeem the McDonald's gift card on DoorDash?
The answer is, unfortunately, no. As of my last update in 2021, DoorDash does not allow you to use a McDonald's gift card directly on their platform. However, you can use the gift card at McDonald's directly and then pay any remaining balance on DoorDash if your order exceeds the gift card amount.
Steps to use your gift card for DoorDash delivery.
1. Order directly on McDonald's app or website. Start your order on the McDonald's app or their official website. 2. Use your gift card for payment. When you reach the payment section, select the option to pay with a gift card and input your gift card details. 3. Choose DoorDash delivery. After payment, select DoorDash as your delivery option. Note that DoorDash might have its delivery fees. 4. Cover additional costs with other payment methods. If your order's total cost exceeds the gift card value, you will need to cover the remaining amount with a credit card, debit card, or any other accepted payment method on the McDonald's platform. That's it. While you can't directly use a McDonald's gift card on DoorDash, you can still make it work with a little bit of maneuvering. We hope this guide was helpful. Enjoy your meal and until next time.